I'm gonna make kind of a crazy pie. Maybe you can call it a cake. It's 2 packages of Jif, and I just fill it about 1/3 of the way with the chili. Hello kids, Big Papa checking in with you. Nice Sunday winter morning. Let me show you what I've been making all morning. Let's take a look at this because I quite like it. Look at these big hunks of point and flat. But I'm going to do something really interesting. Let's move this to the side. Let's come on right here. Cornbread. See if you can guess what I'm doing. 1 container. Now, normally I doctor cornbread a lot. Do Ortega chilies, honey, chorizo even. But this is going to be just straight Jiffy. And by the way, I don't want an argument about cornbread. I like this stuff. I think it's quite good, and I've used it all my life. My mom used it. She was a great cook. So now we come in here, and we're going to take 2/3 of a cup of milk. Two eggs. Okay, now, cornbread doesn't matter if it's a little lumpy, okay? I am too. Let's whisk this, and it's okay if it's a little lumpy. Here comes the fun. I can't hide anymore. I'm gonna have to show you what it is now. Cast iron, baby. And make sure I get some butter around the top edge where the cornbread's gonna be. So it kind of gives up a little bit. Some people use flour too. I'm just using butter. Okay, here comes the chili. Some chili juice in there. Some sauce. That's the first step. Now we're going to go outside and smoke it at 400 degrees until the cornbread's done. And I'll be back and I'll be scooping it out for you. Okay, I'm pretty pleased with this. Nice golden brown here. Ooh, I kind of hate to do this, but I kind of got to make a little serving for my neighbor. Ooh, there we go. There we go, everybody.